Hello everyone, my name is Jose. I am presenting my project on implementing a CKY parsing algorithm tailored for the domain of travel management system. So we're gonna build the CKY parsing for the travel management system which contain the different word. For this project, I'm gonna take like 15 word that gonna accept by the our grammar. Let us consider in modern travel platform like Expedia or Google Flight, understanding user command is critical. So we're gonna use CKY base. See, we have different mm, travel commands like the some customer gonna use on this platform, like the book a flight from Dallas to Boston. For this, we're gonna build the grammar. See, context free grammar here. See that we have built the context free grammar over here. So when they starting, the verb phrase and noun phrase should come together to make a sentence more meaningful. Later, we're gonna implement this on a Python code, and we're gonna see how it's gonna work. See, there is the another rules. NP noun phrase. For noun phrase, article and noun should come together. Article means the and the. So as we explain here, right? See, uh, cancel the flight. See, cancel the flight. The find a hotel. Noun or article is come always in front of that. So there are the preposition and other rules like verbs, consider, book, find, these things. For this one, we're gonna convert this grammar into the CNF grammar. For the CNF grammar, there are three rules. We're gonna implement these rules in our Python code too. See, there are three rules. Every production must be either of the form A is to BC. It should contain the two value, two non-terminal, or A belongs to small a. That means it should contain the some single terminal. No rules can have more than two non-terminals on the right hand side. We're gonna read out the all these more than two terminals on the right hand side. No unit like A belongs to B. We will need to remove all or replace them. See, we're gonna create P noun and everything has two terminal, right? There is no single terminal. If there is a single terminal, we need to fill with this alphabet, book, find, reverse, these things. And every right hand side is should have the exactly two terminal to combine them. So it's gonna make now here is the part, here is the Python code we implemented over here. So we use the like regular expression operating system. Let's define this. In this project, we're gonna like provide the context free grammar over here and CNF rules over there, and it's gonna find it's gonna take the input from the user as a sentence like in the different form. I wanna book the hotel flight like this or so. See, and the finally we gonna create the parse table in Excel file. It's gonna create the Excel file. CYK dynamic programming. See, fill the table for length one substring. First, we're gonna read up the first length one substring or token. Then we're gonna take the C dynamic programming for span length in a range. Then we're gonna create integer main function over here. See, we're gonna implement. Let's start with the one first accepted string. Let's I have input the sentence book of flight. Book of flight. See, this sentence gonna travel grammar check enter or command book the flight from Dallas to Boston. We're gonna see enter the code, enter the command. I enter this one, book a flight from Dallas to Boston, right? And this is grammar is accepted by our rules we defined above. So its content, see how it's gonna accept book, verb, article, noun, these things in the let's and then see once we quit this, it's gonna like find the first tree, find this one for find a hotel in Paris. See, this grammar is accepted by this because it's follow the rules like find, this is for attribute, articles, noun, preposition, noun. In this way, this follow the rules. You're gonna take each and every one, and these are filling in this the past table is creating back in the example. I will show you in the last when I put everything over it. Now this one, for this one, see, this everything is accepting because of our rules. For this one is so the hotels in Tokyo for 5 nights. So the hotels Tokyo 5 nights. Yes, grammar no, something, and find a flight. This one, yes, accepted. Rebus 15. See, we're gonna put this. Yes, accepted this one. Cancel my booking. When is the user gonna input this? This is gonna accept it and cancel my booking. Check flight and this one. This one got accepted. List my booking. This also accepted too. Now I have the word who's gonna reserve book flight from Dallas to Nepal. So there is the missing article A before the flight. So it does not follow our rules. So is this sponsor not gonna accept the sentence? No. For this part, find a flight, book a flight from Dallas to Nepal. It's missing article before the flight. Find a flight in a Paris, grammatically number disagreement A with the plural flights. So this gonna be rejected. Okay, and the reverse the card in London. We're gonna missing the A's before a car. The main problem here is the I article is not no. See, I'll show you now. The Excel file has been created. I'll show it to you. Here is the article file that has been grammar analysis. I'll say share screen. See, our code has created each and every one. Past tree for the first one, the first sentence, second sentence, third sentence. See, the verb and article, and the when the verb and article, this gonna make from the start. Article and n nouns. It's gonna create NP as we defined in our rules. And it's C, N, and P. This N and P gonna make PP. This one, this. So we're gonna go back to P and P, PP. We're gonna make this one and this one gonna start position. For the rejected string, we will go and see the rejected string. This is the rejected string because the verb deterministic noun. This one, these are the things. So we'll go back to the code. We'll go back to the share screen, Google Chrome. These are the output we have got from this code. That's all. Thank you, everyone.